So hello everyone and welcome back to 51st episode of the Reverse Sweep podcast. And I think Virat Kohli took our challenge very seriously and got injured himself. And I think he's probably
Mhm.
ruled out of. He's already ruled out of the second test and he's probably not going to play the ODI series as well, according to the rumors, and will miss the third test as well. So few people might see that it is an injury, but I think there's something going on with BCCI because chief selector gave a press conference the other day and they told that we never forced Virat to give up the T20 captaincy. It was his own decision to give
And
up.
he said everybody told him not to step down. Virat said it was
हाँ,
received positively.
तो मेरे
So
को लगता है
कोई
वो
तो कुछ
जब सिलेक्टर का इंटरव्यू आया उसके बाद अलग से ही उसको बैक पेन आ गया विराट कोहली को। और ओडीआई सीरीज तो पहले भी मिस, वेकेशन
और बैक
ज्यादा।
पेन का किसी ने नहीं सुना था टॉस टाइम तक। लाइक आजकल तो लीक आ जाते हैं कि कोई इंजर्ड है,
भाई
ये
वो
हुआ।
गलत पोजीशन में
टॉस
सोया होगा।
तक किसी को नहीं
इतना क्या सोच रहे हो?
And with our 51st episode, our episode number has officially overtaken Virat Kohli's test average.
बट वो तो ठीक है पर
Held by Kohli, bringing it down by 4-5 in the last 2 years.
but everyone expected this was supposed to be his 100th test match. विराट
नेक्स्ट टेस्ट
कोहली
मैच
हाँ, like last test होता।
100, हाँ ऐसे कुछ होता, पता नहीं जो भी है।
अभी कानपुर में
पर
होगा
वो
वर्सेस बांग्लादेश।
बैंगलोर में होगा
नहीं बैंगलोर, हाँ एक
अपने
उनमें
घर,
से।
पर
उसके होम
पर
ग्राउंड में।
अभी हम लोग को थोड़ा क्विक करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज वी हैव होम सीरीज कमिंग अप अगेंस्ट सम जॉबर टीम्स लाइक बांग्लादेश, श्रीलंका, वो सब तो सामने तो
Also known as Virat Kohli 71st century tours.
उसके पहले हो जाएगा शायद।
so that is what is happening currently. And also after the new year, this is our very first episode, so happy new year to everyone. So it's 2022, COVID is back again, everything is seems like a normal life. But 2021, what an amazing year of cricket, despite all the odds, all the things that is happening around the world with the bubble bio, all the big tournaments getting cancelled. And then in 2021 we got to see the crowds back into the stadium, be it in Australia, be it in England, be it in the T20 World Cup, the second part of IPL as well. So things started to look little normal. But what an amazing year of cricket with the World Test Championship finals, the Australia India series, the India England series. And then again, as we start 2022, one another shocker that Bangladesh just defeated New Zealand in New Zealand, like first Asian team to defeat New Zealand after 10 years. So Test cricket is well and truly alive, and that is why it is the best form of cricket. So 2022 started with a bang, but let's just get back to 2021 and uh just recall those happy moments, the highs and the lows of the cricketing world. So let's begin with India first, and we'll go to our biggest Virat Kohli fan, City, all the way from Canada, living in Canada, still the biggest Indian fan out there. So let's hear from him what for him as a cricket fan was the highest moment of joy as a cricket fan, and what was the lowest moment of joy during the last year. So let's.
So like highest moment, there are some obvious ones and you guys can talk about them. Like obviously those were very joyful for me as well. I'll talk about a little offbeat moment that was a very joyous moment. That was Virat Kohli getting sacked as ODI captain. So and effectively as limited overs captain. So Pele, we had heard he had stepped down from T20 captaincy. That itself was a great event, but like him being sacked as ODI captain as well was like Sone pe suhaga. Like I did not like to be on. Like I have not wanted him out as a captain for a long time, but I thought given his position, like in Indian cricket, his brand, like I didn't think it was realistic. Like until a few
Yeah.
months ago, so and like clearly something with his captaincy hasn't been working. Like as we've seen bar ICC events mein something keeps happening, kuch na kuch, चाहे जो format हो कुछ ना कुछ होते रहता है. We've seen that same thing happen with RCB as well. So I'm really glad that we can finally go into 2022, 2023 and like the next cycle of ICC events with like a fresh outlook and like a fresh belief कि इस बार हम choke नहीं करेंगे.
रोहित
And
शर्मा
अभी 2022 में T20 वर्ल्ड कप आ रहा है, 23 में वर्ल्ड टेस्ट
ओडिया
चैंपियनशिप फाइनल आ रहा है,
ओडिया वर्ल्ड
होम
कप आ
वर्ल्ड
रहा
कप आ रहा है. हाँ, होम वर्ल्ड कप लास्ट टाइम होम पे जीते थे
but
वर्ल्ड कप, तो इट्स लाइक
but
बिग
I think
and
the
it's like
end.
sort of a send off for this core as well, the Rohit, Shikhar, Kohli top three. I think that will probably be, if like तब तक नहीं टूटता, like it might be the send off for Rohit and Shikhar definitely, maybe not Kohli, but like, so it's like huge expectations on that, and like these guys have done so much for us in ODI cricket, so it'll be nice that finally अब थोड़ा fresh hope है हमारे पास कि इस बार joke नहीं करेंगे, because Kohli so has been sacked as captain,
Yeah,
and
and
that
this.
also reflects that his new position in Indian cricket, he is not indispensable to Indian cricket as was thought of before. I was really glad to, like, personally मेरे लिए joyful था, obviously as a team perspective और जो है
Sid
moments हैं, and you guys
Sid
can talk about
Sid
those.
Sid Jain का last few months was so joyous. Virat got sacked, Ole got sacked, so two of his biggest, and he was so
भाई
happy that he
राजनिक एट द
was,
व्हील
or Sid, like
भाई कम से कम
only
4-5 गोल नहीं खा रहे ना.
only few people know this, but he was so happy. He partied so much that the other day he was seen lying on the streets of Toronto. Like people had to take him up to his house. So he was so happy. So you can obviously go know that for him the best moment was not the victory, whatever victory, but it was when Kohli got sacked. So before we come to the
Because that
low.
is like better than just one moment, because that is like एक मैच जीतना तो is like for a few days, right? Kohli getting sacked is fresh hope for the upcoming
Entire
few years.
nation.
So like Indian cricket has के लिए change है. Like it's much bigger than a singular result can ever be.
Yeah. So before we come back to you asking you about what was the lowest moment as a Indian cricket fan in 2021, let's I will like to point out one of my favorite cricketing moments of 2021 as an Indian cricket fan was, um people might say Australia win, but we already won a series in Australia before. And but for me, the main, like one of the major good feel win was at the Lodge, like winning at the home of cricket after so long, and uh, how we performed versus England in a very tricky conditions, because we all know that they have they have the bowling attack which is very suited for their home condition. Uh, we don't have Pranav. He's basically, we would have called some names, Clouderson or whatever, but we don't have him here. But to win against England, and we are 2-1 up in the series. Obviously, one match is yet to go, but I think the way we played cricket in England was very satisfying, because it has been long since we dominated them at their home condition with the crowd behind them, and giving them their thing back, because now our pace lineup is arguably the best in the world, and to go there and to win in that fashion was very tremendous. I think that was one of the most, like you can say, memorable moment. So that for me was there. So let's quickly ask uh our cricketing expert Siddharth Jain about what for him was the most memorable win or the moment of Indian cricket in
जो
2021.
इस साल में एक मैच जो ऋषभ पंत ने खेला है वही होगा.
वही यार ब्रो, यू कैन नॉट नॉट मेंशन कावा. भाई ऋषभ पंत के थोड़े मोमेंट आते हैं एंजॉय करने के. और मुझे याद है वो मैच, पीयूष और मैं व्हाट्सएप पे पूरा हर बॉल देख रहे थे, क्योंकि शुरू हुआ था 3-4 बजे रात को, मतलब मेरे रात को, और मतलब पूरे सुबह 10 बजे तक 11 बजे तक देखा. क्या क्या लास्ट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द स्टार्टिंग 11 यू पुट अप, राइट? मतलब नटराजन पहली बार खेल रहा है, इतने लोग, शार्दुल पहली बार खेल रहा है, इतने लोग वॉशिंगटन
I
खेल
think
रहा है.
हमारा combined like experience in that test attack was like 4-5 tests.
वही और
सैनी
वही
का सैनी भी और सिराज सबका पहला दूसरा पहला
Exactly.
दूसरा test था.
Natarajan.
वही, and
हाँ,
just the way,
नटराजन तो
just the
नेट
way,
बॉलर था.
वही just the way everyone, नटराजन की तो फनी स्टोरी है. उसने पूरी सीरीज बैट ही नहीं किया था नेट्स में, और आके सीधा स्टार को खेला पूरा ओवर. तो मतलब स्मॉल मोमेंट्स लग रहा है इन टेस्ट में, जैसे आई थिंक दैट होल लास्ट थिंग जब गिल 91 बनाया, जैसे वो आउट, मतलब अननेसेसरी.
धीरे बिल्कुल आने लगा. पहले था कि टेस्ट बचाना है, टेस्ट नहीं बचा पाएंगे.
एग्जैक्टली.
And
और जो
like at the start, like Shardul और Washington Sundar की partnership is out of nowhere.
वही एग्जैक्टली आई थिंक दैट सेट अप द प्लेटफॉर्म, राइट? फिर एंड में जो पुजारा और पंत की पार्टनरशिप इज द बेस्ट, बिकॉज़ the kind of players they are. पुजारा एकदम defensive खेल रहा था और पंत on the other hand Paresh ले रहा था और फिर वो partnership बढ़ती गई and just the way the match ended and the emotions after the game मतलब I think that game
Almost like right at the end भी हुआ था.
वही एंड में तो 2 विकेट गिर भी गए थे जल्दी में, मुझे याद है वॉशिंगटन सुंदर ने छक्का ही मारा था, फिर ऋषभ पंत रेकलेस शॉट खेलने लगा ऊपर एकदम, उसने कैच दे दी थी एक एंड एकदम
And
एंड
like
में कहता
Pujara made sure we couldn't lose and Pant made sure we won.
एग्जैक्टली
दोनों
आई
का
थिंक
अपना
जस्ट
अपना रोल.
वो एग्जैक्टली आई थिंक गावा टेस्ट मैच इजीली वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मोमेंट्स लास्ट आई थिंक that
Remember,
moment
I
lived through
was
the
like
entire
in
year.
hotel. I was in
I
hotel
think that
quarantine at that time और like रात के 3 बज रहे थे यहाँ पे और like मैं चिल्ला रहा था, मेरे नेबर सोच रहे होंगे क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे अकेले.
कनाडा में तो ऐसे भी क्या उनको भी पता, आधे तो इंडियंस ही है वहां पर, तो इट्स लाइक अ सेकंड होम.
मिनी पंजाब उधर मिनी पंजाब है.
पटाखे बज रहे होंगे रात में.
but if we want to sum up, I think it all started with that amazing series win down under, where no one gave us a chance after that 36 all out in the first game in Adelaide. Then Virat Kohli flying back home. Then all
अब तो
the
लग रहा था 36 ऑल आउट के बाद 4 में हारेंगे और like 4 में
हाँ
इतनी
वो तो
बुरी तरह
मतलब,
से
और
हारेंगे.
after that Bumrah
I
got
don't think
injured.
any even like the biggest optimistic Indian fan thought we will win the series.
Yeah,
Rahane is
I
one
think
century
let
prolonging
alone-
his career.
Let alone even, I didn't think we would even come close to winning a test, to be honest.
but that whole series
Like-
after that Adelaide match, winning at MCG,
The
then
way they
drawing
grew,
that saving
Vihari and Ashwin
saving
का,
that test
yeah,
match at
insane.
Sydney, and then winning at Gaba, where Australia have not lost since how many years, I don't know. To win that series was the kickstart that Indian cricket needed. So 2021 started with a bang. Then once we just do a small recap, then it came IPL. IPL got stopped in between due to COVID again, and then the home series against England. Obviously, we did win that series, but we unfortunately lost one test match, the opening match. But that was pretty much
इंडिया में तो टेस्ट हारना भी.
एक शर्म की बात है, but ठीक है, चलता है, इतना कुछ
वो भी
मैटर नहीं
इंग्लैंड
करता.
से कौन हारता है भाई, अभी देखा नहीं
भाई,
उसके.
वो भी रूट से हारे, इंग्लैंड से तो
इंडिया
हारे भी नहीं, रूट से हारे हैं. एक 200 मारी है उसने, मैच हरा दिया.
वो तो
फिर भी दे मेड 500 ना, 300
पर
रन बाकी होते दिखाए हमने.
उसके बाद
अभी तो मिला के 3 इनिंग्स में नहीं बन रहे उनसे.
उसके बाद तो we won that 3-1 correct, or 2-1, 3 match series, whatever. So
3-1. हाँ.
3-1.
so we absolutely humiliated them in the next 3 matches. Then for me the most disappointing match was the World Test Championship final, because
Hmm.
we had that game. I think if not win,
And it was almost impossible to lose on
Lose
like,
that
day
match.
6 जब start होता, we thought it was almost impossible to lose.
yeah, so as a fan I was very very disheartened. Like, it hurt me more than the T20 World Cup loss any day, because we played the best cricket in that particular time frame of 2 years, and that one game where, as Virat said, that 30 minutes of bad cricket or whatever, but
तो हर
that
बार ही बोलता है भाई उसका.
हाँ वो तो अब ऐसे लग रहा है
Yeah.
आदत हो गई है मतलब सुनने की, पर वो तो ठीक है, पर आई थिंक फॉर मी पर्सनली दैट लॉस स्टिल हर्ट्स. लाइक, you talk about
Yeah.
the 2017 Champions Trophy finals loss, that which still hurts. I believe for me this World Test Championship loss still
Even
hurts.
Ravi Shastri ने भी यही बोला कि this like World Test Championship hurt him the most because of the position, like because like rain, like it was almost an unlosable position and we
Correct.
still somehow
I remember
managed.
I went to the
Like we
stadium
were
on day
2
6.
down in the third innings on day 6. कि सुबह
वही.
2 down थे, मतलब we just had to not even play the whole day. कुछ
वही.
50-60 ओवर खेलता था, just get and like we would have made enough runs कि न्यूजीलैंड नहीं बना पाते फिर, and somehow we still screwed that up.
वही मैं डे 6 स्टेडियम में गया था,
That
सारे
was
इंडियन फैंस इतने ऑप्टिमिस्टिक थे, सब कुछ सही चल रहा था. आई रिमेंबर आई वाज वाचिंग पंत बैट ऑल्सो, इतना मजा आ रहा था. एंड सडनली पंत का विकेट गिरा और टेल एंडर, हमारी टेल तो वैसी है ही, और सारे विकेट गिर गए. फिर बॉलिंग में तो क्या ही, विलियमसन, लेथम ने क्या खत्म कर दिया.
But what do you think, Siddharth? So any Siddharth can answer. So which tournament hurt you most? Like, was it the T20 World Cup, T20 World Cup going out of the group stages, or was it the World Test Championship finals? What was more shocking, and what did you feel that it is more hurting as a fan to see that happen?
I mean, yeah, I mean, both of them were different and were like पाकिस्तान के साथ भी was a different, like पाकिस्तान के साथ हारना is like a different humiliation, especially given the context कि कभी नहीं हारे, and on paper at least I felt that our team was much better than theirs. Like, but फिर भी like the utter magnitude of that humiliation was just, and
10
I,
विकेट से हारना
especially for me and Jen, like that day was probably the worst day ever. उस दिन लिवरपूल से 5-0 हारे थे.
मैं वॉच लॉन्ग देखा था, लिवरपूल लैपटॉप स्ट्रीम पे हो रहा था, साला गोल मारे जा रहा है, रिजवान रन मारे जा रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है.
And I was watching with my Pakistani friends as well, and I was like, मुंह छुपाना पड़ रहा था भाई क्या. Like that was just like an abject humiliation कि 10 विकेट से हारे, like didn't even run them close. So, और फिर न्यूजीलैंड में the way we played, न्यूजीलैंड वाले मैच में like खेलने का जो तरीका था, that was really disappointing. Like it seemed like we were playing scared.
और रोहित को
पाकिस्तान
भी
में
4 पे
चलो
भेज दिया,
like
there was
शुरू
no
में
reason to
they
change
played
the
really
top
well
order.
and then we recovered very well. And न्यूजीलैंड के अगेंस्ट तो डर के खेल रहे थे, and it showed कि like, and like
मतलब
the
न्यूजीलैंड और
attitude was really
पाकिस्तान में से
different.
कोई भी एक मैच अपने को जीतना था एंड वी वुड हैव qualified and
हाँ.
we lost both in a very disgusting manner, so but it's
पहले
fine.
एटलीस्ट बोलते थे यार नॉकआउट चोक करेंगे, अब तो नॉकआउट से पहले ही
as
चोक
as
कर
people
रहे
say that bad things lead to
हैं.
good
Just
things,
disappointed.
so that loss led to Virat Kohli getting sacked, so hopefully that is
वो तो पहले ही
a
सैक हो
good
गया था.
thing. अरे हाँ but
मतलब बट वनडे से भी सैक
One
हो
day
गया
से
था
हो गया.
साथ में.
अरे जीत के जाता तो फिर पता नहीं उसके बोलता कि अब मैं जीत गया हूँ आई विल कंटिन्यू, मतलब वो कोई भरोसा नहीं है.
And I think like as per the sources and rumors, like they said that the T20 World Cup loss accelerated the process of him being sacked as one captain also.
Yeah, so
वरुण
overall
चक्रवर्ती also
Maybe like
कहाँ से
यार
टीम में आ
वो
गया,
नॉन क्रिकेटर का
क्या
नाम
खेला.
नहीं लेना चाहिए, but that is all past.
चक्रवर्ती को भी न्यूजीलैंड मैच के बाद निकल हो गया था.
निकल आजकल इंजरी होती
कहते
है.
अभी कोहली को निकल है.
but that is all gone. 2021 is gone. Virat is gone. But I think overall, if we have to sum up, I think overall it was an excellent year for Indian cricket team. Apart from the disappointing one-off
And we
game,
won like the last test in South Africa also. We won a
Exactly.
test in South Africa.
न्यूजीलैंड को भी हराया सीरीज, and then
Centurion.
T20 also.
So I think overall people might say that we didn't do well in ICC trophies. Well, that is true, but still we did absolutely well overseas, like which no other touring team has done so far. Leaving India, you see Australia getting absolutely battered, England getting absolutely battered by Australia, England getting battered in India, New Zealand getting battered in India.
Australia
So
तो lost
England
final
getting
to
battered in
Bangladesh.
England by India.
Australia lost 4-1 of final to
हाँ.
Bangladesh, no? मतलब
Yeah,
सीरीज में,
so
हाँ.
T20 सीरीज
वो
में.
भी
So-
60 रन बना के.
So I think all the away teams have struggled so far, which we haven't, and I think that is one of the major factor to show the domination in the world cricket. And I think hopefully we can win the series in South Africa as well. We will see, tomorrow is the last day, so probably we'll do the post match review of what happened. It's going to be the interesting day tomorrow, because I think result will come tomorrow. If the whole day play comes, we don't have to go to 5th day, but that
Even
is,
maybe 2 sessions probably.
yeah,
Yeah.
but let's hope we do win that test match and wrap the series up and start 2022 like we started 2021. But so that was the recap for Indian cricket team. But let's little much do digging about how the other teams did, talking about some of the major playing countries. I'm not going to talk about Pakistan, obviously irrelevant country, so I don't want to talk. But let's begin with the superpower England, on how their year was, because there's a chant like England get battered everywhere they go. England get battered everywhere they go. So let's quickly jump up to Sid Jan. He's staying in London, so he has also watched matches with Barmy Army. So let's begin with him about how the mood is around the England cricket team and how did they do in 2021.
Oh man, England are such a on and England have become a new Pakistan. I think like इतने on and off country मुझे cricket में इतना बन गया है. I think Joe Root absolutely phenomenal year, right? 1,700 something runs. That is no easy feat. Like especially when the whole team is like collapsing around
I
you. तो
remember
उसमें
at the start of the year, some of our like reverse sweep experts, namely Ishwar, called like Root, not even a top 5 player in Test cricket. Faf du
he
Plessis is
rated Faf du
better.
Plessis over him. वो
साल के
कभी नहीं
start
बोलेगा.
में 2021 has proved him very, very wrong.
But yeah,
But
absolutely, man. Joe Root like crazy numbers in 2021.
From
Absolutely
like
carried.
from the get go, like and even in away conditions, England like in Sri Lanka he killed it, in India he killed it.
and then obviously I think losing to India at home was a big humiliation for them because they are. I think England is such a country that they do not like losing at home. You know, उनका एक aggression, एक ego है, and then especially when you lose at
Big
Lord's
cloud
home of
never.
cricket. Oh yeah, but I think I liked, like, as a neutral fan, I like the fact that Broad and Anderson are still going. I think they are one, like, I enjoy watching them, like, no matter what happens. तो उनके लिए वो अच्छा, फिर रॉबिन्सन जैसा बॉलर मिला है, वो
And
थोड़ा aggression
Anderson
आता है.
even did well in Australia and India. Like India में first test he bowled a crucial spell to win it for them. Australia maybe the one like half sort of day England did well in this Ashes. उसने 4 for लिया था.
Yeah,
Like
exactly.
Anderson,
And then
like, ageless as ever.
in England, another thing, they started the 100 this year. The 100 was pretty successful for them, I think. वो थोड़ा in England के जो,
सुना भी नहीं 100 के बारे में.
अरे वो इंग्लैंड में सक्सेसफुल वही बोलते हैं, मतलब उनके लिए वही
यहाँ तो
इतना
किसी ने सुना.
आईपीएल भी like आईपीएल भी like पर्सन ही वाला, पर for them उनका, like, I don't know why they obviously they started focusing on LOI way more, right? So their county doesn't get as much focus, which is kind of sad, but people started liking the 100 a lot more. And obviously
But
LOIs में
if we recap England and look at the series they played, I don't remember them winning any major series, even in limited overs cricket or even in the
Limited overs में they had like I mean
they
limited overs
lost
में
against Pakistan, or they drew something, I believe, the T20s which they played at home.
but उसमें like बहुत उनकी
नहीं उसमें
B
जीते,
team.
हाँ उनका कोविड हो गया था ना आधी टीम को.
हाँ.
बेन स्टोक्स was captain, Ben Stokes was captain.
हाँ
और फिर पाकिस्तान ने A team, पाकिस्तान A team लाया, फिर भी हार गए, तो इतनी ह्यूमिलिएशन नहीं थी उसके बारे में.
टीम वो रैंडम उनकी पूरी टीम को कोविड हो गया था and they still won. T20 World Cup they started like a house on fire and somehow ended up choking last 2 matches. And like India fans know how that
But
is.
everyone expected them to reach to final. So I think overall, if you,
But I think they had, yeah, it was definitely a letdown. But उनकी काफी injuries भी थी. But they had the talent.
I think
well enough.
they were one of the favorites to win because many of their players took a rest from IPL as well to prepare for the tournament, and how they started, Josh Butler, Roy.
Ironically, like उन्होंने like Australia को इतना बुरा पेला था group stage में, and Australia ended up in the World Cup.
Yeah, so I think overall, if you look at their lucky win on number of boundary score in 2019, after that I have not seen England cricket like dominate anywhere. Like they got thrashed in the limited overs cricket in India as well when they played against us at home. So I think overall, I think there's a lot of.
I think they have a record for the most number of test matches lost.
Runs to Virat Kohli, so like that is obviously humiliating.
They created
like,
a new record last year.
2021 में कोहली से कौन run खाता है?
They created a new record last year for most test matches lost in a year. They equaled it. 9 test matches. Losing 9 tests in a year is huge, man, for a country like India. 9 tests कौन हारता है एक साल में?
And I don't think they have the batting to like win overseas anywhere. Like when you look at their batting, it's Joe Root or nothing. I think with Ben Stokes, they might cry about Jofra Archer being injured. So, but a country like England where cricket is played so much and with the talent they have, they should not be even complaining about our bowler missing. So like we had Bumrah missing and everyone, but we never complained. So that is the thing. But overall, I think it was a very, very disappointing year for England. Like overall, be it a bilateral series or be it ICC tournaments, it was nothing short than less than. So let's see. But England is someone who will again be going favorites in the 2022 T20 World Cup because it's in Australia, and I think that will be suited. The pitch, the conditions will suit them as well. So let's now move to our T20 champions, Australia. So let's begin with Siddharth Rayan. Like how will you sum up 2021 for Australia as a neutral fan? What went right? What went wrong with them?
So I think like overall, obviously the year started with the Gabba humiliation, which for Australia's perspective was probably one of the most humiliating results,
Was
if
it
not the
shocking
most
that
humiliating
Tim
result.
Payne was not sacked after that series loss? Like, do you think?
Like you would expect like a lot of fallout to happen from that kind of defeat. Like India की main team से भी नहीं हारे, C team से हारे. So like that was like
But
probably
big ups
like
to them for
as far
like
as I can recall
staying
in my
united.
cricket watching history, the worst humiliation in Australian cricket history. And like yeah, there was not much of a change after. That still ended up being the last test match Payne ever played and captain, but for different reasons, of course. So
But it's still good that
like
even after that loss, the team didn't disintegrate, and that showed in the Ashes, right? Unki test team ka core remained the same even after the loss. And I think the way Langer operates,
like
just
वैसे like you would have
exactly.
expected a lot of changes to happen, but after that I think they realized at least that they need to rotate their pacers, जो अब Ashes में कर रहे हैं. They even did that in 2019 Ashes. I don't know why they didn't do that against India. I guess that's something they took away from that. So, but like yeah, I guess like वो उनका lowest point होगा, and then the Payne situation would be one of their lowest points as well. कि like that was pretty humiliating. कि
So
CA knew that.
Australian captain and controversy like go well hand in hand, like sandpaper
सारे
incident,
उनके
yeah,
कैप्टन
fixing it.
रोके सैक होते हैं.
Ha,
Hopefully it doesn't happen for Pat Cummins. Really nice guy.
yeah.
But and their highest moment, of course, would be somehow winning the T20 World Cup out of nowhere, like
But
Only
as
teams
that
the
was
cricket expert predicted.
predicted Australia because Australia somehow I don't know, but whatever their squad looks like, whatever the form looks like, but when they play ICC World Cup, somehow they manage to perform well as a
And
team. And
their like team made no sense. Like उनके
Exactly.
almost like every pass, सात के साथ batsmen were like सारे openers. Like their team made no sense. कुछ बनता नहीं था sense. They got absolutely smashed by England really badly in the group stage game they played, and like still somehow, and like not as a neutral perspective, one of my favorite moments was Matthew Wade smashing Shaheen Afridi. Yeah, for obvious reasons.
the,
And
That
I
reverse
think
seam
that
six.
entire India loved that performance like more than India. I've
Matthew Wade gained a lot of fans in India because of that.
मतलब,
Like,
India didn't even cheer up winning all the irrelevant group stage matches, but they celebrated more after that Australia win against Pakistan because how
maybe
Wade
that
just
is also another one of the highest points of Indian cricket this year when Matthew Wade smashed. Yeah,
absolutely.
like
I think I remember because it was after Diwali and
uh,
like my
काफी
parents were
जगह
sleeping.
पटाखे भी बज रहे थे,
हाँ
मैंने सुना
मैं
था इंडिया में.
मतलब रात को मैच चल रहा था और मेरे घर वाले मतलब दे डोंट नो ऑस्ट्रेलिया पाकिस्तान का मैच चल रहा था
हाँ.
बिकॉज इंडिया बाहर हो गई थी एंड सडनली मतलब वेयर आई लिव पीपल स्टार्टेड बस्टिंग क्रैकर्स और मतलब आधी एक घंटे तक क्रैकर्स ही फूट रहे. तो माय डैड केम एंड आस्क्ड क्या हुआ. मैं बताया कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया डिफीटेड पाकिस्तान and in the semi-final, so everyone was so happy, like the mood in India was so much so happy, like Indian fans were crazy and then they celebrated that a lot. So I think Matthew Wade, good job.
And like he was not one of the most heralded guys as well. Like किसी ने सोचा नहीं था कि Wade would do that. Wasn't much
Exactly.
expectation. I mean, he's known more of as an opener in T20 cricket. किसी ने hope भी नहीं. And like Shaheen Afridi के लिए it was sort of karma. If you guys saw him like mimic all the Indian guys, like he was making fun of us.
Boundary में.
Then हाँ.
और
So
मतलब हसन अली
as
का भी
they
जो
say,
ड्रॉप कैच
the
हुआ था वेट
Almighty
का.
Allah Raka came back for Shaheen and gave him karma.
But absolutely, I think Australian cricket would take that after the start they got in 2021, losing to India, probably the C team. But after that, they recovered well, I believe, from that loss, and they looked like little stronger. Like whatever cricket they played that year, they were
Maybe
fine.
one thing they'll be a little concerned about is Steve Smith का form. सिर्फ 53 एवरेज किया 2021 में. So like उसके हिसाब से that's
compared to
concerning.
Kohli's 23
But
average
it's
in
ironic
2021.
कि like Australia की test team इतनी looks so solid on paper at least. Their T20 side makes no sense, and their highest moment came in T20s, their lowest moment came in tests.
Because when you look at Australian
But
cricket team, but
cricket is a funny game.
yeah, but I think again they would be happy because they have the next T20 World Cup at home. So
Hmm.
that would be another major factor because
And they ended the year on a high with winning 3-0 against England, so it kind of covered the Gabba defeat start of the year.
uh, because Ashes like means more to them. But I think now on paper you might see that Ashes is the biggest tournament that Australian cricket plays. But
Yeah.
if you compare in terms of quality of cricket, I think it will be India
Hmm.
Australia series
Yeah.
is what is the
Yeah,
and I
even on the pitch, it's more fiery these days. Like you don't see a
yeah
lot of sledging between Australia and England.
Exactly.
yeah we
England
don't
वाले
get
भी
that
सोचते हैं हम
aggression Ashes ka
हाँ
aggression which we used to get because Australia is
इंग्लैंड
so
वालों
much
को
better.
शर्म आ जाती है कि किस मुंह से कुछ बोलेंगे भाई अगर 60 पे ऑल आउट होना है, क्या बोलेंगे
भाई जैसे आज तो यानसेन और बुमराह का अग्रेशन, वैसा अग्रेशन हर दिन चाहिए.
or like you see that a lot in India Australia also,
Exactly,
like
exactly.
aggression sledging दिखता है
Let's hope
even
that India and
like
Australia make
one of that actually reminds me one of my favorite underrated moments. Lion का 100th टेस्ट था, इंडिया gave him a signed jersey.
after winning the tournament.
Ultimate
The-
humiliation. बेचारे को लाइक प्रेजेंटेशन में बुलाया एंड लाइक द उसकी वॉक से दिख रहा था कि लाइक क्यों कर रहे हैं मेरे साथ ऐसा, क्यों क्यों
But
बेइज्जती कर रहे हो सबके सामने.
hopefully, I personally
And
want
that was
India
Rahane
versus.
doing that of all people. You would expect that from somebody like Kohli. रहाणे के साथ वैसी बेइज्जती करवा रहे थे.
But सही है वैसा movement होना भी चाहिए. And I think
हाँ, I really
what
loved it. Like
what
ऐसा ही करना चाहिए. If you do
yeah.
that to some team, humiliate कर.
But if you look at the test matches, I think if India and Australia do make it to the 2023 World Test Championship final, I think that would be one of the best matches we could ever see because that
Or if
would be
Pakistan make it, that would also be very fun.
हाँ
इंडिया
because
वर्सेस पाकिस्तान टेस्ट कितने 15 साल से नहीं हुआ.
हाँ तो वो तो ठीक है अपन
And the
लोग
schedule is very favorable for Pakistan.
भाई
So
पहले ये
good
वाला टेस्ट मैच
possibility.
जीता है, ये वाला हार गए तो फाइनल्स की भी.
वो तो फिर भी यार पहुंच जाएंगे हम. हार भी गई साउथ अफ्रीका में भी होम पे आ रहे हैं ना अगला पूरा साल. वो सारे वाइट वॉश जाएंगे.
अब ये तो लास्ट अवे सीरीज है बट दैट इज फाइन सो वी डिस्कस्ड about India, England, Australia, the three powerhouses of international cricket. Then obviously we will look to wrap up few teams before we close this episode out. So let's quickly dive into New Zealand, Pakistan. So let's quickly hear about. So personally, I'll begin with New Zealand because I don't want to discuss Pakistan much. So so
Boycott.
so if you look at New Zealand, I think I don't remember. They did fairly well before they got very lucky to reach the World Test Championship finals because of the whole point system changing and not
ऑस्ट्रेलिया को ओवररेट पेनल्टी लगी थी उसके बाद भी. दैट इज द ओनली रीजन दे मेक इट.
yeah and they didn't even win a away series in that cycle, I believe, New Zealand, but somehow they reached the finals. And I think for them winning the final against India was a amazing achievement because we have seen New Zealand choking in so many finals and semi-finals recently, but
But they made a bigger choker.
Virat Kohli was like, "Bete, तुम्हारे पापा आए हैं." So
I
he
think
was
Virat Kohli has lost to Ken Williams in the last 8 matches he's played. 8 continuous matches. कौन हारता है भाई?
Played in every format.
वही
So
exactly.
Virat Kohli over the last few years has gotten knocked out. Effectively T20 World Cup में न्यूजीलैंड ने हमें नॉकआउट किया. Then IPL 21 Sunrisers beat Bangalore, which like knocked the RCB out of top 2.
Then
उसके
WTC finals.
बाद वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप फाइनल. फिर न्यूजीलैंड में व्हाइट वॉश हुआ था टेस्ट सीरीज. लास्ट आईपीएल में सनराइजर्स बीट देम इन द लास्ट ग्रुप स्टेज गेम and knock them out. So like जहाँ जाता है कोहली वहाँ पे Kane knocks him out.
So I think for New Zealand, I think they don't even care what happened rest of the year because they won the trophy that mattered the most. Like you may
And for a country with 3 million population, and I guess like if we take off our India glasses off, as a neutral, if we see like that was really good to see in feel good story कि finally after so many heartbreaks and especially 2019 World Cup में like unreal way they lost in, it was like nice to see them at least win something.
And the rise
Yeah,
of their
but-
pace attack. I think the pace attack was so underrated until last year. The rise of Jamieson, then obviously Saudi being Saudi, And then
Southie, Bolt, and Wagner.
and then that Wagner, yeah, exactly. I
Okay.
think their pace attack came to the rise, and like people actually saw them as one of the lethal bowling attacks.
And then New Zealand lost to Australia in the finals as well of T20 World Cup. Another
I guess that
final.
would probably be their lowest moment. Losing to Australia again.
But the one thing that I admire about New Zealand is their consistency. When you look after 2015 World Cup, they reached finals in 2015, semis in 2000, finals in
15 was
2019.
final.
19 also they
19
reached the final.
final.
Then 20
2016 they made the semi.
semis, and then they again reached the finals of the T20 World Cup. So consistency has been really good, and they have been producing some amazing cricketers as well. Like you won't see much people talk about the players they have
Convoy.
produced, Convoy or whatever, but 2022 started as a shocker because they just lost to Bangladesh, which no one even thought of, because
I don't
they
think
had their
Bangladesh.
entire yeah, they had their entire team apart from Kane Williamson. Every
Yeah.
other player was playing, and their
Actually, Bangladesh didn't have their entire team. Shakib is missing.
because
वो
if
अपने
Shakib is missing, that is
बैठा हुआ
80%
था
of
घर पे
Bangladesh.
बांग्लादेशी रोहित शर्मा
मतलब बांग्लादेश में तो मस्त आज तो मजे का
and
दिन है.
Mahmudullah retired. Tamim Iqbal is on some kind of sabbatical, so they were missing a player.
उसके बाद भी न्यूजीलैंड को हराया when they had Saudi,
And they
Wagner.
उनके star players Ibadat Hussain had an average of 81 with the ball. ऐसे
मतलब
ऐसे लोग
shocking.
winning
So
the test matches. And
so
it wasn't even कि like कुछ fluke या freak innings खेली कुछ या like something magical. And they dominated
हाँ,
like the
वही
test
2 दिन बैटिंग किया
almost
पूरा.
every session
It
after
was mad.
day
हाँ.
one.
so that was, but I think overall New Zealand would be very happy if you see, because they won the Test Championship, although they lost the T20 World
उनका
Cup.
10 साल के लिए वही याद करेंगे. Like for a country like them, that's enough to keep them running for 10 years.
Exactly.
But good time for New Zealand.
I
Let's
think,
see
yeah.
what
Covering
they do.
Pakistan. I
Yeah,
think
go ahead.
Babar is a guy. I don't know why this year, man. I just enjoy watching him. Like, I don't know why, just his presence at the crease. Babar, like, he just gives me good vibes. And he's a good captain, 24 years old for them to lead Pakistan forward. I think overall,
Now
obviously,
he's a rich man's Virat Kohli. As unfortunate as that is to say, as an Indian.
Exactly. I think just watching him and more is one. And then obviously the rise of Shaheen Shah and then the bowling attack.
Yeah, Shaheen is like, as a neutral, if I like take off my like really fun to watch, like the spell he bowled against India, even those that, and even the first over he bowled against Australia, like completely shook them off.
I think for them it was a good year. I can't remember any notable.
I mean, they won against India. उनका good year क्या उनका good century हो गया.
10 wickets. इंडिया को
50 साल बाद भी सुन रहे होंगे. याद है 2021 में वर्ल्ड कप में हराया था तुम्हें 10 विकेट से.
बस वही है उनके लिए.
I think the thing that
50
last year
उनका
I noticed पाकिस्तान हर साल अपनी टीम चेंज करते रहती थी in LY at least. मतलब हर साल कोई 3-4 नए प्लेयर आ गए. कोई उनकी team was always unsettled, but last year throughout the year that team was very consistent and the performances showed in the World Cup, I think. So now obviously they have a good core like Shadab Khan, Shaheen, Babar, Rizwan, Fakhar Zaman is doing well. So I think they have a good core to take the team forward, which is obviously I think they're building.
And bowling maybe Haris Rauf maybe is doing pretty well.
They're in the rebuilding phase. So for them it was a success.
Haris Rauf तो गरीबों का नजदीक सैनी है. तो उसमें तो ठीक है. अभी क्या ही है उसमें. But overall I think Pakistan, they won't be that much happy because even उनका इंडिया को हरा दिया तो उनका तो वर्ल्ड कप जीतने बराबर ही हो गया. पर अपने होम में कौन
जीतने बराबर नहीं, 5 वर्ल्ड कप जीतने बराबर है. Like for them that is उसे. और इंडिया को हराना क्या उस वर्ल्ड कप में they actually won another world cup beating New Zealand with उनका security apparently they were very proud of that.
तो वो पाकिस्तान के लिए तो अलग ही प्रायोरिटी है.
chanting security after. So Ramiz Raja said कि ये 2 वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल हैं तुम्हारे इंडिया एंड न्यूजीलैंड, they won both of them. Actual वर्ल्ड कप में पिट गए, but कोई like
पर
उनके
वही
लिए that's
उन लोग का प्रायोरिटीज अलग है, ऐसे भी हो तो कंट्री
That's
अलग
like
ही है।
जैसा पहले होता था स्पर्स का कि इस सीजन में कहीं भी फिनिश कर ले, आर्सेनल को हरा दिया, बस बढ़िया सीजन है।
वैसे ही हो गया, पर ठीक है। बट looking at 2021, what people like me was very very happy to see it. Apart from the dominations of what we discussed for the major cricketing nations, Sri Lanka was struggling for a few years now, but what they showed up in the T20 World Cup and the core they are building even in the test matches, their bowling attack, the spin attack which is coming back, and the batting has been doing fairly well than what it was before. Like
They have a
2-3
pretty good young core
core.
coming
Yeah.
up. That's good
So
to
I
see.
think the more the competition increases, the more it's better for the world of cricket, because otherwise you will have 4 or 5 cricketing nations just dominating rest of the others. But I've seen the quality of the Sri Lanka in the T20 World Cup as well. They were
Their
pretty
under
well.
19 team reached the Asia Cup under 19 final also, which is a big
Yeah,
thing
and
considering they beat Pakistan. Yeah.
so I think the rise of these cricketing nations are again like Sri
पाकिस्तान
Lanka,
में, अरे पाकिस्तान का एक और हाईलाइट, दे बीट इंडिया इन द
India
एशिया
ने-
अंडर 19 एशिया कप,
Asia
और
पूरा
फिर
Cup.
बड़ा
सेमीफाइनल
सेलिब्रेट
में
कर
वही
रहे
सेमीफाइनल में दोबारा हार गए.
थे। सेम सिचुएशन हुआ,
But
and India ended up winning the cup.
but when you talk
But
about
for
the
them, it's again an achievement.
yeah, Sri Lanka was one of the most powerhousing nation. Like they dominated the world of cricket as well for some times when they
Yeah, I think they between 2007 and 2014 or so, they were
back to back
probably
World
the
Cup
most
finals.
dominant, limited over, back-to-back World Cup final, back-to-back T20 World Cup finals, including winning one eventually.
So I
So
think
like
it's good for Sri
between
Lankan
those
cricket to
5-6
come
years,
back
they were
and compete at the highest level again. And then there were a few other nations like Namibia, Afghanistan.
भाई क्या ही बात करें.
Arey,
but
not talking
T20
just
World Cup, it was good to see these countries
yeah,
get
that is what
represented.
that is the whole point. Like the whole ecosystem which ICC is trying to build was pretty good in the last 2 years of the cycle of cricket for promoting cricket in these countries as well and giving them the chance, and them coming good is good for the cricketing nation ahead. So that was what we wanted to discuss. Just throwback to the 2021. Hopefully 2022, another World Cup coming, mega auction coming, IPL coming. Things are going to be interesting again.
Hopefully, it doesn't get cancelled due to COVID or postponed.
But
Yeah.
this
भाई
time
वापस
it's
दुबई
good.
में आ जाएगा.
The wave is starting in January, so I expect everything to be done by April. और फिर
And
3-4 महीना
hopefully they do it in like some other country or a bubble again.
yeah,
If
but
it's
I
not
think
safe to go to visit India.
by the time IPL starts, I think we should be good because it won't last for 3 months. So hopefully everything is good by that time. Um, I expect everything to be good
And
now
then
only
T20
if
World Cup
possible.
coming up at the end of the year again.
Again, so 2022 is going to be exciting. River Sweep podcast is going to be exciting.
Finally have a captain who can actually win trophies for the first time since Dhoni
फिर भी
Dhoni
राहुल
stepped
कैप्टन कर
down.
रहा है. Rahul out of nowhere, man.
Hopefully
Another
Rohit is
highlight
not
of the year.
injured at that time.
Another highlight of the year. Rahul's rise, man. Crazy. कहाँ से टेस्ट
हाँ.
कैप्टन. एक साल पहले तो like at the start 2021
एक साल
wasn't
पहले
even
क्या
on the side.
even England test series के squad में नहीं होता वो.
वही
Suddenly
exactly.
like 3-4 injuries happened.
Mayank was
But
injured. That's who
I
got to play
think
the first test. Mayank was injured on
but
the head. I remember in net session.
Mayank
and
was
Gill
injured,
also
Rohit
injured.
was injured, Gill injured,
Suddenly,
Shaw arrived late
out of
in the
nowhere he became a
country. So
captain.
like चार.
Crazy,
But
man.
it was amazing year,
And
and
he
I
finally got freed from Kings 11 Punjab. Proud moment for him.
but it's good to see because we need to build for the future. So giving those opportunity to KL Rahul instead of giving back to Rahane, whose places himself is not comfortable, it's a good call because we need to look at the future after Virat in Test cricket as well. Hopefully after the 2023
And after Rohit in one day cricket, which is like next year 2023 World Cup के बाद, you could expect a change again. So it's not
yeah,
that far actually.
so
एक साल बाद ही
it's
करना है.
exciting time to be a cricket fan, especially Indian cricket fan, because let's hope for some ICC trophies by Rohit Sharma. Let's hope it. And
Haven't
that was
lost a toss since Virat Kohli got the Test captain.
yes, that is also another great thing.
7
That
and 7
good
in all
point.
formats. Toss पे toss जीत रहे हैं.
But that is pretty much it from us, guys. We are 20 episodes away from reaching 71st So hopefully we can do it
Previous
because
श्रीलंका तब है, उसके पहले 20 एपिसोड करने पड़ेंगे.
वो तो ठीक है, but thanks for showing the support. Wish everyone a happy new year once again, and hopefully see you guys after we win the series in South Africa. Hopefully let's win the series at South Africa and complete the thing of winning series at every away cricket playing nation, test nation. So looking forward to it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for the support. Do comment what is your favorite moment if you have, if you have missed anything, and do share, like, and subscribe to all our channels. Also, we post funny clips on our Instagram, so do follow the River Sweep podcast on Instagram. We will put the link in the description and also on Twitter as well. So that's it from us, guys. See you and bye bye.